Hello, my dear little friends. Welcome to Dive into Pooja's Books, and a very happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there. So, do you know what? Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family, as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. Mother's Day first began in the United States at the initiative of Anna Jarvis in the early 20th century. So Anna Jarvis wanted to honor her mother, Anne Jarvis, who had died in 1905. Her mother, Anne Jarvis, had been a peace activist, and she created Mother's Day work clubs to address public health issues. So, Anna Jarvis wanted to honor her mother by continuing the work she started and to set aside a day to honor all mothers, because she believed a mother is the person who has done more for you than anyone in the world. So here we are, celebrating this day every year as Mother's Day to thank the contribution all our mothers do for us. So, do you want to see a little skit for the Mother's Day? Let's watch it.
One day at a little apartment near the beach.
Oh, done with the cooking. Time to watch my favorite show. Which toy?
This one, that I will play one.
Okay, can you bring it?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Where did I go?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
My series, batteries.
Oh, you want the batteries? Sure. Can you just wait for 2 minutes? I'll finish my homework first, okay?
Yes. No.
Okay, I'll do it.
But Mom, can you pack my lunch for when I go surfing today?
Sorry, what do you say? Tell me again.
Can you pack my lunch for when I go surfing today?
Oh, sure. I have your lunch ready. Come.
Oh, thank you. It better not be the junior fish sandwich.
No, it's the one that you like. Okay, have a nice day. You can go.
Oh yeah, can you keep my
Guys, just go to your room.
Mom is really stressed, guys. Maybe we should stop bothering.
You mean we should start helping her?
Yes, and maybe we should start appreciating the things she does for us. Let's make us something nice as a Mother's Day gift. What say, guys?
We're sorry, Mom, for putting so much pressure on you. And we'll try to give you a minute.
Oh, that's so sweet, Shlo.
Here, this is the Mother's Day present.
Thank you so much. I love you no matter what.
And I'll meet you no matter what. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
So, as we saw in this skit, the kids in this skit realized how much effort a mom takes to bring you up and how much love she always bestows on you. So, as rightly said, God cannot be everywhere, and so He created Mother to take care of us. So, not only on Mother's Day, but always, we should be thankful for this lovely strong bond we share with our mothers and the love that we have. So, on this day, maybe you can make breakfast for your mom, you can bring her some gifts, some flowers, some cards, and just enjoy your day. And today and always be thankful and not complaining and enjoy your life. Bye.